Hi, and welcome to this introduction to postcolonial theory in Field 5, Postcolonial Theory in the course English 7. Some background, first of all. From the 15th century, there was colonization of Africa, the Americas, and Asia by European states. This created a power struggle within the colonized areas, where the Europeans had all the power. Most African countries were decolonized or made independent by the 1970s. This is a map of Africa circa 1914. Here we can see that almost all of Africa as we know it today was colonized by different European states. There were only two states which were independent in 1914. And those were Liberia on the west coast, and on the east coast we had the Empire of Ethiopia. The rest of Africa was totally controlled by Europeans in 1914. Postcolonial theory seeks to study the way in which European power, economy, and culture affected the colonized states, both during and after the colonial era. We will be focusing on Africa in our studies of postcolonial theory. The most notable theorist in this field was Edward Said, who in his book Orientalism from 1978 argued that history and culture cannot be explained without also studying the configurations of power within society. This means that European and African history and culture cannot be understood without understanding the power struggles between them during colonialism and after colonialism. Said argued that the West had taken the role of explaining the East, both in literature and in history. A dichotomy has been created this way, in which the West was seen as logical, civilized, tolerant, independent, and democratic, and the East was seen as illogical, barbaric, intolerant, and dependent and undemocratic. This has in turn created the classic scenario of we and them, or the norm and the other, in the context of Western history and culture. During our studies of postcolonial theory, we will focus on the novel Things Fall Apart by Nigerian author Chinua Achebe. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time. Bye.